This is an electronic drum set or a roll-up drum kit. It comes with 9 real drum sound types, which basically would be all of your typical or normal drum sound types. It's got the pedals for, I don't know much about drums, but it's got the pedals that are included. It's got built-in speakers, stereo sound surround. It's foldable and portable, so you can pack it up on trips to relatives' houses, and the kids can do concerts for you and show you all their musical abilities. It's perfect for beginners, which is great. You can get them started on their musical career. I think I mentioned built-in rechargeable batteries, but the best feature is the ability to plug in headphones and sync them so your kids can play it without driving you nuts. So I think it's a great product, especially, like I said, for beginners. Try them out before you graduate to a full drum set. See if they like it. And I would definitely recommend it.